Does your mind go blank when you try to speak English, even though you understand a lot? Do you ever feel like your English is inside your head, but it won't come out of your mouth? If that's you, you're in the right place. Welcome to Speak It Simple, English for Silent Learners. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was learning another language, I could read, I could listen, I could even think I understood. But when it was time to speak, I froze. My brain started doing this painful thing: translate, translate, translate. I wanted to say a simple sentence like, I'm not sure, but inside my head, I was building it like a math problem, word by word, grammar by grammar. And by the time my sentence was ready, the moment was gone. That is exactly why this training exists. This is a 21-day Think in English routine for A2 to B2 learners. The goal is simple. Stop translating in your head and start speaking with English chunks. What is a chunk? A chunk is a ready-made phrase, a phrase you can use fast without building it. Examples of chunks are, I think, I'm not sure, let me check, it depends. You don't need to create these. You need to borrow them, then repeat them, then own them. In this series, we will speak slowly, we will repeat a lot, and yes, you will speak out loud with me, because silent practice makes silent English. Now, before we start, here are 3 strict rules. Please follow them. No shortcuts. Rule 1. Find a quiet place. Not perfect, just quiet enough. Close the door, put on headphones if you want. Give yourself 10 focused minutes. Rule 2. Speak out loud. Not in your head, not whispering. Out loud. If you feel shy, that's normal. Say it anyway. Your mouth needs training, not your mind. Rule 3. Do not skip any part, even if it feels too easy. Easy sentences build speed. Speed builds confidence, and confidence builds real speaking. One more thing. When we practice, I will give you a sentence 2 times. First time, listen. Second time, shadow me. Copy my rhythm. Also, I'll sometimes pause and explain a chunk in very simple English. No heavy grammar, just useful English you can actually say. Take a breath. Get ready. Day 1 starts in part 2. Welcome back. Level 1 is your warm-up. These sentences are short on purpose. Short sentences help your brain stop translating. Remember, I say it 2 times. First, listen. Second, shadow me. Speak out loud. Ready. Core chunk 1. I am. I'm. Listen. 1. I'm ready. I'm ready. 2. I'm tired. I'm tired. 3. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. Quick note. Right now is a chunk. It means at this moment. Say it as one unit. Right now. 4. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. 5. I'm okay. I'm okay. Core chunk 2. I want. I don't want. 6. I want to practice. I want to practice. 7. I want to speak English. I want to speak English. 8. I don't want to translate. I don't want to translate. 9. I want to try again. I want to try again. Small chunk tip. Try again is one piece, not try, again. Say it smoothly. Try again. Core chunk 3. I need. I don't need. 10. I need more time. I need more time. 11. I need a break. I need a break. 12. I need to focus. I need to focus. 13. I don't need perfect English. I don't need perfect English. Good. That sentence is powerful. I don't need is a confidence chunk. Use it to relax. Core chunk 4. I like. I don't like. 14. I like this method. I like this method. 15. I like slow practice. I like slow practice. 16. I don't like rushing. I don't like rushing. 17. I like simple English. I like simple English. 18. I can do this. I can do this. 19. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. 20. I can learn step by step. I can learn step by step. Chunk note. Step by step means little by little. Say it as one rhythm. Step by step. 21. I can't think fast. I can't think fast. 22. I can't remember that word. I can't remember that word. Core chunk 6. I feel, for real speaking. 23. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. 24. I feel confident today. I feel confident today. 25. I feel better now. I feel better now. Mini flow practice. Very short conversations. Now we connect the chunks. Keep it easy. 26. I'm ready, but I feel nervous. I'm ready, but I feel nervous. 27. I want to speak, but I'm not sure. I want to speak, but I'm not sure. 28. I need more time, please. I need more time, please. 29. I want to try again. I want to try again. 30. I can do this, step by step. I can do this, step by step. Soft reset when your mind goes blank. This is important for silent learners. When your mind goes blank, use a reset chunk. 1 moment. 1 moment. Let me think. Let me think. Let me try. Let me try. These 3 chunks are your rescue tools. 1 moment means wait a little. Let me think means I am thinking now. Let me try means I will attempt it. No panic, just use the chunk. Great work. If this felt easy, that's good. Easy practice builds automatic speaking. Repeat level 1 sentences every day for 7 days. Same list, same rhythm. Your goal is speed and comfort without translating. When you're ready, we move to real-life situations. Welcome to level 2. Now we speak in real-life flow. Still slow, still clear, and every sentence is repeated twice. Remember, don't translate, just copy the chunk, copy the music of the sentence. Situation 1. At home. Simple daily life. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. I'm making coffee. I'm making coffee. I'm cleaning up a little. I'm cleaning up a little. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. This chunk means I have time, no rush. Say it calmly. I'm not in a hurry. I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. I'm about to means I will do it very soon, like I'm about to eat or I'm about to leave. It's a ready phrase. Don't build it, use it. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. Situation 2, at work or study, polite and useful. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. I'll send it today. I'll send it today. I'll check and get back to you. I'll check and get back to you. Get back to you means reply later by message or email. You can say, I'll get back to you. It sounds natural and professional. Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please? Could you speak a little slower? Could you speak a little slower? Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. That makes sense. That makes sense. Situation 3, shopping or cafe, common conversations. I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size? I'll take it. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. Situation 4, small talk, friendly and natural. How's it going? How's it going? Pretty good, how about you? Pretty good, how about you? I've been busy lately, but I'm okay. I've been busy lately, but I'm okay. Not really. Not really. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. That sounds good. That sounds good. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. Now we connect sentences. Keep your voice moving. Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? Pretty good, how about you? Pretty good, how about you? I've been busy lately, but I'm okay. I've been busy lately, but I'm okay. Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please? Sure, I said, I'll check and get back to you. Sure, I said, I'll check and get back to you. Thanks, I'm not in a hurry. Thanks, I'm not in a hurry. I'm about to leave, but I'll text you later. I'm about to leave, but I'll text you later. Quick confidence reset when you feel stuck. Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. I can explain it in a simple way. I can explain it in a simple way. I don't know the word, but I can describe it. I don't know the word, but I can describe it. That last one is a big speaking skill. You don't need perfect words. You need forward motion. Excellent. This is normal English. Not too easy, not too hard. Perfect for days 8 to 14. Repeat this section every day for 1 week. Focus on rhythm. Focus on chunks. No translation. Welcome to Level 3. Now we move into strong, natural English. These expressions are more advanced, but you don't need to study them. You will copy them. You will repeat them. And your brain will start to think in English. Same rule. Every line is twice. Listen once, shadow once. Level 3. Expert chunks. Clear, confident, natural. To be honest, I'm still learning. To be honest, I'm still learning. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. That's a good point. That's a good point. From my perspective, it depends. From my perspective, it depends. I'm not totally convinced. I'm not totally convinced. I don't have a strong opinion on that. I don't have a strong opinion on that. Let's focus on what we can control. Let's focus on what we can control. I'd rather keep it simple for now. I'd rather keep it simple for now. If I'm understanding you correctly, you mean. If I'm understanding you correctly, you mean. Can I clarify one thing? Can I clarify one thing? Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your patience. I'm doing my best to explain it clearly. I'm doing my best to explain it clearly. Smooth conversation connectors. Sound fluent. The main thing is. The main thing is. What I'm trying to say is. What I'm trying to say is. On the one hand, on the other hand. On the one hand, on the other hand. In the long run, it will help. In the long run, it will help. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Chunk help. To be honest, it means, I will tell you the truth. It's a soft, polite start. Chunk help. I'd rather. I'd rather means, I prefer this. Example, I'd rather keep it simple, means, I prefer simple. Chunk help. In the long run. It means, later, in the future, over time. Not today, not tomorrow, over time. Real life level 3 mini scenes, advanced but useful. To be honest, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? To be honest, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? I see what you mean, but I'm not totally convinced. I see what you mean, but I'm not totally convinced. That's a good point. Let me think about it. That's a good point. Let me think about it. If I'm understanding you correctly, you want it by Friday. If I'm understanding you correctly, you want it by Friday. Thanks for your patience. I'm doing my best to explain it clearly. Thanks for your patience. I'm doing my best to explain it clearly. The main thing is, we need a clear plan. The main thing is, we need a clear plan. In the long run, this practice will pay off. In the long run, this practice will pay off. Now listen carefully. If you finished this training, if you spoke out loud, even a little, I'm proud of you. Because you did the hardest part. You stopped being only a listener. You became a speaker. And here's the truth. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is consistency. 10 minutes a day is powerful. 7 days is a routine. 21 days is a real change. Some days you will feel slow. Some days you will forget words. That's normal. That's growth. Your job is simple. Show up, speak out loud, don't skip. You are not behind. You are building a new habit. And habits change your English. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. 1. Your English level, A2, B1, or B2, and 2. One sentence, I can do this. Say it with me, twice. I can do this. I can do this. You've got this. Keep going.